We usually think of artifice as if it were at odds with the nature. There is a long history of opposition between nature and artifice. Think of Plato and of works of art. Plato wrote that works of art cannot be related to the truth because they are not because they have been basically created. They are not nature. And even knowledge should be passed down from generation to generation through the living speech, the word, not through books. Well, because books are not natural. Now, today, nobody would accept Plato's criticism.